All right, Mopar fanboys, we got another one for y'all, man. Mopar fanboys done wrecked another one. Look like some front end damage. It is a 6.4 Hemi. It does have some Nietzsche wheels on there. Those wheels don't actually look bad. Tinted the windshield, tinted everything. No sunroof on this thing. Has the big bumblebee right there on the side of the car. Diffuser, everything. Spoiler. They didn't do a good job right here on the tint of the car. Or the tail lights, but looks good. 58,000 miles on this thing. Bumper's coming off just a little bit right there. That's no big deal, guys. Check this out. Have you ever seen a star on a Scat Pack seat? There you go, right there. Has a cloth interior, no leather. What do y'all think, man? Let me know in the comments below, man. This thing is for sale. Y'all think it'll go for? Let me know in the comments below.
Alrighty, another one for the Mopar fanboys. The 2019 Dodge Charger Scatty. I am using a auto auction research website. The link is in the description below. You do have to pay monthly subscription to use this website, but I've been using it and I fell in love with the website, man. I've been using it every single day. 2019 Dodge Charger Scat Pack. Stars and Stripes, a different edition. I never seen that before. They come up with something new for the Mopar fanboy. So for $40,245 was the base price, and the total price was $46,575. It only sold that one time for the 22,000, 58,000 miles. Let's look at the photos. I see where they was going with it. I just don't like when they put the big B in the big, I don't like that, me personally. Had a nice little black stripe going down the back. That was cool. The wheels were straight. Cloth interior. I never seen a star in the seats before. Like I was telling you guys, that star, I'm not sure if they had that done or what the case may be. Definitely had the motor, just didn't have the interior. What do you guys think about the price? $22,200. Would you have paid that? Let me know in the comments below. This video has been sponsored to you by Scat. Now, Scat is a tool that I use to help me find out if cars were staged in Copart. For example, this 2021 Cadillac CT5 was sold for $24,800. But if you go down, you can actually see more information about the car. You can see that it was vandalized. That's why it's here. The car starts and everything. But if you go all the way down to the sales history, you can see that the car was also sold in 2021, and you can find out more information about it. It was sold by the insurance company State Farm. But if you click it, you can also see that the car had another lot number that sold for $20,000. If you look at the photos here, you can also see that this car actual damage was right here on the side there. So that means that someone bought the car, fixed the doors, and then resold it back in Copart for $24,800. And they actually did the writing themselves. So they were the ones who vandalized the car. This website can also be used if you want to know how much I bought my cars for, because I never really tell you guys how much I pay for cars. So you can also find how much I pay for cars and if something is fishy going on with the car. So if you are interested, my link is in the description below. Make sure you sign up with my referral link. And lastly, this website can also be used for Copart and IAA. So here's the Copart website. All you would have to do is copy the lot number or the VIN number, or you can go to IAA and also just copy the lot number. So here's the lot number here, and all you would do is set it up top, and there you go. So it works for IAA and Copart. And lastly, there is a monthly subscription. I personally use the Pro package, which is $49.95, but you can also get the personal package, which is $19.95. You can look up cars in the last 2 years, and with the Pro package you can look up cars in the last 4 years. But when I tell you guys it is worth it, it is really worth it. It has helped me save a lot of money.
What's up, Hustle Nation? This video has been sponsored to you by whdacademy.com, the online course that's going to teach you everything you need to know about the auction game, all my tips on how to properly inspect cars, and most importantly, how to make money. As you can see, I've been doing this for a while, And as you can also see, I have plenty of testimonials on how I've helped others gain success in this business. So if you're interested in learning, be sure to click the link in the description below.
Subscribe.
Yes, sir.
We're getting it in
You
the
are,
pandemic.
you already know,
We don't
man.
give a damn about no depression, recession. We're going to make it happen.
You already know, man.